All right, today we're talking about backing up a big truck that doesn't have any rear camera. When you're backing a big truck, the first thing you should do is as you pull in, you should look at where you're going to back and determine if it's safe to back, if you should back, and then okay, if you're going to back, make sure it's clear of anything that you could possibly hit. Determine how far you're going to back and follow those rules. As you pull into a position, you got your four ways on, you start to back, you're using your horn. Some of these are equipped with buzzers. You back up close to the space where you want to go, and then the key is you get out and look. And if you're really lucky or really smart, get yourself a spotter that will bring you back safely and stop you when you're close enough.